Another testing method used to identify fake coins is the visual test, which is done by comparison and observation. A jeweler's loupe is a helpful tool for this method. As with every other testing method, when you test for fakes, I highly recommend simultaneously testing a known authentic for comparison. Here are some things to look for when trying to spot a fake: design detail, orientation, edge design, inscriptions and fonts, and dates and mint marks. Just keep in mind that no test is foolproof, which is why it's very important to always use multiple testing methods. Some lower quality counterfeits are cast instead of struck, which results in a fake coin that lacks the detail of the original. But even on higher quality counterfeits, you can probably spot several design elements that are completely different from the authentic coin. Look at the design on the known authentic and compare it to the design on the fake. I'm sure you'll see several differences. The proper orientation of a coin is another thing to look for. Some coins have the coin alignment, and others have the metal alignment. If I flip these coins over, you can see that the fake is not properly oriented. With these, the orientation is correct, but the reverse is off axis. That would indicate it's either a fake or potentially an error coin. There are several different edge designs, including reeded, lettered, plain, and decorated edges. Compare your coin with the authentic and make sure it matches. As a side note, you could also try eyeballing the thickness of the coin. Many counterfeits are thicker than a genuine coin. Observe the font size and style. Any differences could be a reason for concern. Here are several examples of differences between fake and genuine coins. It can be very important to observe dates and mint marks more closely when you're dealing with rare coins and key dates. Some fakes are produced by altering a date or by adding or removing a mint mark on a genuine coin. Altering these details can dramatically increase the perceived value of a coin. Keep in mind that these are genuine coins that are altered, so they'll pass all other tests. Be sure and watch the other methods for testing your coins here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.